In an age where productivity and multitasking are paramount, the quest for efficient and portable display solutions continues to evolve. For those who need more screen real estate on the go, UPERFECT's latest innovation, the UStation Delta Max, offers a compelling proposition: 2 screens in one device, eliminating the need to carry multiple monitors or compromise workspace. But is it worth the investment? Let's dive into what makes the UPERFECT UStation Delta Max stand out and who should consider adding this unique dual-screen portable monitor to their setup. The UPERFECT UStation Delta Max is essentially a portable dual-screen monitor housed within a single device. Unlike traditional setups that require you to buy 2 separate screens or rely on external accessories, this device integrates 2 independent 18.5-inch displays into one cohesive form factor. The design cleverly mimics a large laptop when viewed from the front, but flipping it over reveals a product built specifically to redefine mobile productivity. Each screen functions individually or can be combined to create a large seamless display, thanks to its clever hinge system made up of 3 robust hinges. Users can fold or angle the screens in various ways. The bottom screen's stand is fixed at an approximate 30-degree tilt, providing stability during use, while the top screen offers full range of motion, even folding completely backward. The UStation Delta Max boasts a sleek aluminum shell, finished with a matte dark tone that's visually appealing and reminiscent of a premium laptop chassis. However, this matte finish is quite prone to fingerprints and smudges upon contact, which might require frequent cleaning. On the back, there are 4 VESA 75 by 75 mounting holes, allowing users to attach the device to compatible stands or arms, offering flexibility beyond the included stand. The built-in stand features 2 rubber pads to prevent slipping and ensures a sturdy base during use. Weighing in at approximately 2.24 kilograms and measuring 425 by 252 by 24 millimeters. The device is bulkier than most ultra-slim laptops designed for office use, but remains smaller and lighter compared to many gaming laptops. Given its size, users will need a sufficiently large carrying case to accommodate not only the monitor, but also the charger and accompanying cables. The UPERFECT UStation Delta Max includes 2 mini HDMI ports and 2 USB-C ports supporting DisplayPort alternate mode, with each interface duplicated for the dual screens. Additionally, a dedicated USB-C power input port is available to provide power when connected through HDMI, which typically cannot supply power. Control-wise, the lower right edge of the bottom screen houses 2 pairs of buttons and a dial. These allow users to navigate the on-screen display OSD menus for each monitor individually, switch input sources quickly, rotate the top screen's display orientation, or power off both screens simultaneously. One of the device's strong suits is its 4 distinct operating modes, tailored to different user needs. Clone mode. Both screens mirror the same content, useful for presentations or demonstrations. Expansion mode. A single USB-C source feeds both displays, but they act as 2 independent screens, expanding the desktop workspace. Sequence mode. The 2 screens combine to form one ultra-wide display with a total resolution of 1920 by 2160 pixels. Standalone mode. Each screen connects to separate sources via USB-C or HDMI, enabling unique workflows such as multitasking between devices. The UPERFECT UStation Delta Max employs 2 18.5-inch IPS panels with 8-bit color depth, offering full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution. Both screens come with an anti-glare AG coating that strikes a good balance, reducing reflections under bright lighting without causing excessive graininess or blurring that heavier AG layers sometimes induce. Official specs cite a maximum brightness of 300 CDM and a static contrast ratio of 10,001. Upon testing, both displays show relatively uniform grayscale, contrast, and color temperature after a 1-hour warm-up period. However, the temperature leans slightly towards the cooler side, due to a lack of red channel intensity. Notably, the bottom screen is brighter than the top by roughly 30 to 40 CDM, which may be noticeable during side-by-side use. Color accuracy out of the box covers around 87% of the sRGB spectrum, which is decent but not exceptional. After adjusting settings via the OSD menu, color balance and temperature consistency improve significantly between the two displays. Still, gamma curves remain suboptimal and would benefit from hardware calibration on each panel individually. UPERFECT advertises a 100 Hz refresh rate for both displays. Yet real-world tests reveal the screens can be set to 120 Hz regardless of connection type. This discrepancy raises questions about whether the official 100 Hz rating is conservative or in error. However, the device's pixel response time is somewhat slow, with the lower screen performing better, approximately 17.9 milliseconds than the upper one. About 19.2 milliseconds, measured using open-source tools developed by Andrew McDonald of Tech Team GB. Input lag is also perceptible, with the lower screen registering about 5 milliseconds less delay than the upper screen. These factors indicate that while the UStation Delta Max is perfectly suitable for productivity tasks, it is less ideal for competitive gaming or latency-sensitive applications. At a price point of around $600 on UPERFECT's official website, the UStation Delta Max is a substantial investment. Still, it offers unique value for professionals and power users who need flexible dual-screen setups on the go without lugging two separate monitors. Content creators, developers, financial analysts, and multitaskers will appreciate the expanded workspace and versatile connectivity options. The various display modes support a wide range of use cases, from mirrored presentations to extended desktop real estate, or even managing multiple devices simultaneously. Gamers seeking ultra-low latency and high refresh rates may find the Delta Max's performance lacking. Likewise, those with strict color accuracy requirements for photo or video editing might want to supplement the device with external calibration tools. The UPERFECT UStation Delta Max impresses with its innovative approach to portable dual-screen displays, combining convenience and flexibility in a single compact form. Its sturdy build, multiple operating modes, and broad connectivity options make it an attractive choice for mobile professionals. Though it has some drawbacks, including fingerprint-prone surfaces, brightness inconsistency between panels, and slower response times, these are understandable trade-offs for a dual-display portable device. For users looking to maximize productivity on the go, without the hassle of managing multiple devices, the UStation Delta Max offers a practical and elegant solution worth considering.